Hey, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're finishing up a job in Palm Harbor. It's a two-car garage, full chip. No baseboards on this job, but because they did have the step up here, this little platform, we did chip in the back wall. It ties it in real nice. Did a lot of repairs on the face of this step up. So this is a full chip job, aliphatic urethane, which is UV stable, and this color is tan. Looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service.